Hello, so today I'm gonna show you how to lube your keyboard if you're lazy like me. Let's get started. So firstly, let's get all the keycaps off. I'm just gonna fast forward this part because it's very boring. Well, that hurt my hand. So right here we have Krytox 250 Lube by MKB, and here is what it looks like. Anyway, here is how to lazy lube it. So first you get your a random brush I found on like a store, an art store or something. Just take a random brush. You get not so much, like a dab. This is probably a little bit too much, but good enough. So oh no, I messed this up. Anyway, so basically just dab a little bit there, and just like go in there a little bit. That's all you need to do actually. If your keyboard has like those switches without this guard, you can use like a thinner brush, not this brush, like a thinner brush to like go into the switch. But I have this, which is very convenient. So anyway, yeah, this is how you lube it. So let's lube every single one. Okay, let me flip it. So now you flip it to the other side and you lube it from this side too. Now let me teach you how to lube the stabilizers. Basically just take, oh shit, that's bad. So okay, anyway, so basically just take like a shitload of lube and just like shove it in there and just turn it around. Like let me show you, let me do it again. Shove like a shitload of lube, just shove it in there and just turn it around. Make sure to put in here too, like under the thing, so you don't get ticks. Those are keyboard ticks, like this. Anyway, so you do it there, do in the thing, just smear it all around. Also, don't forget, oh shit, it's too much lube, let me put it here. So don't forget, oh, what's your hair? Oh shit. Also okay, anyway, so don't forget to get like in between the sides, like, oh shit, you pull it out. Oh my fucking god. Okay, I can't pull it out because my hands are too big, but you can just like shove it in, like shove your lube in there, like this. But the brush will be a little bit fucked up, so yeah. I'm just gonna overloop the stabilizers. Why not? And why not loop the switch too? So anyway, do that for every single stabilizers. So anyway, I just basically do this to lube it, but that's basically it, honestly. And now is the fun part. So you see where you lube this, like you see there's like residue over there. So you take like a switch and you just put it back, just like spam it, keep spamming it, and then take it out, and look, it's perfectly lubed up. So let's put everything back. After you lube all your switches, now the switches are well lubed. And just now you saw that I spammed the keyboard because I want the switch to be lubed up. Like when you put the lube here, when you do this, when I keep pressing it, the lube will go all over the switch. So that's how you lazy lube the keyboard. So anyway, here's the before and after. Anyways, this is the end of the video and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.